Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline from Creating My Garden, and this is just a short video with a focus on this little hummingbird and how busy he was in my zinnias. I happened to be on a coffee break watching a bit of TV and stuff, just doing my thing on the weekend, and I caught this little guy in action when I looked out the window. The tape you're seeing is a reflective tape to prevent the hummingbirds and other birds from hitting the window, and that's why it is there. And I'm doing this from inside my living room. So I hope you enjoy this video. He sure is busy preparing for his long journey in the next week or so. And there's another one around here too, and he's a red-throated hummingbird. But this little guy's a bit smaller than the red-throated one, but they sure are busy and loving the zinnias. So I highly recommend planting some zinnias in your garden if you want to attract the pollinators and the hummingbirds and the hummingbird moths as well. They just seem to be going crazy over these plants in this bed, and it's such a joy to watch. For me, this is what gardening is all about. It's watching nature at her best, working hard, and keeping these little guys going and feeding them. Thanks everyone. I hope you will like and subscribe to this video. Bye!